Good evening, batchmates, sa ating mga minamahal na guro. Congratulations sa ating lahat. 4 years na tayo and still going strong. Thank you and congratulations sa ating mga officers, committee members for a job well done. Alam namin ang hirap ng paghahanda mula umpisa hanggang sa gabing ito. Ensuring that everything is fine. Kamusta sa inyo lahat? Enjoy and have fun.
Hello batchmates and teachers. Congratulations. Sayang na miss namin ang event na ito. I know you'll have fun playing games sa chikahan and dancing all night long. Thank you and congratulations to the officers and committee members for making our Ruby reunion enjoyable and memorable. Your efforts paid off. I want to honor our teachers. Isa po kayo sa mga nag-mold sa amin. Thank you so much po for the knowledge and wisdom you imparted us. Have fun and may God bless you all.
Don't forget to share a picture, ha? Hihintayin namin yan.
Okay, bye! Have fun! Enjoy!
Hello sa lahat ng mga kabatchmates ko at mga teachers ko. Happy reunion sa inyo. Alam ko, happy yan, memorable yan, and ang saya-saya, tiyak. So, sorry wala ako dyan, pero nakikibalita ako lagi kung ano na ang updates sa preparations nyo and everything. Namimiss ko lahat ng mga friends ko na nandyan. Hindi ako sanay nang gumagawa ng video. But I wish you all a very, very happy and memorable one. Take care. Bye!
Hi, good evening. Antoinette Arevalos, Section Hope. Congratulations sa lahat. Sorry, hindi ako naka-attend. I wish naka-attend ako. Pero it's okay. Sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat next time. Mami ko, hi! Congratulations. Congratulations on your 40th anniversary. Good luck sa lahat. Sana lahat laging healthy and sana maka-attend ako next time. Bye!
Nandito kami sa malayo pero kasama niyo po kami in spirit. Di!
Kasama nyo kami sa spirit, sabi ni Vince. Maski wala kami dyan, gustuhin man namin at medyo hindi nagkaano ang mga pagkakataon sa ngayon. So, hopefully next time, magkasama-sama ulit tayo. But sa ngayon, ganito lang muna ang ano namin.
Video muna, video.
Video lang muna. But ganito rin kami dito, medyo nagsasama-sama rin paminsan-minsan. Katulad ngayon, we took the time to make this video para mabati namin kayo sa reunion nyo. Maski wala kami dyan.
Reunion natin.
Nyo. Reunion namin dito. Anyway, sana maging masaya. Enjoy lang. At yun, share nyo na lang kung ano man yung ano nyo, videos and pictures para makita namin ng ano nyo, yung ano nyo, yung celebration nyo dyan. Okay? At saka hi sa mga teachers natin.
Oo nga pala. Hi sa mga teachers natin.
Hindi na namin maisa-isa at alala pa rin namin kayo. Okay?
Mag-enjoy kayo. Hopefully, it's gonna be a successful reunion to all of you guys. We miss you. Maraming salamat sa inyo. We won't be where we at right now without you guys. Maraming salamat sa teacher natin. Marami kaming natutunan sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po.
Yeah. We're really thankful.
Yan ang naging foundation natin.
Ah.
Tsaka sa mga friendships na nabuo ng mga kabataan pa natin. Salamat sa mga naging mga kaibigan, pinagsamahan natin. Right? Kaya kami tatlo, ganito pa rin, pinagsamahan.
Tatlong itlog.
So, enjoy and hopefully it's gonna be a successful reunion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat.
Bye-bye!
Hello classmates! Kamusta sa inyong lahat? Congratulations on this wonderful occasion. Happy reunion to all of you. Sorry I'm not able to join you in person, but I am celebrating with you guys in spirit. To everyone na nag-spearhead to make sure this occasion becomes successful, kudos po sa inyong lahat. And thanks for the years of friendship and also for staying in touch despite the distance and the time. I hope you guys have a wonderful celebration and mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salamat!
Greetings and salutations, you batchmates. This is Butch here, or Alvin Santos. Anyway, I just want to, sorry about that, I spilled some soda. I just want to first apologize for not being able to attend this reunion. And then also, I think all of the reunions that we have, I haven't been able to attend. So, anyway, I happen to remember that I owe Victoria this recording. So even though I'm still at work right now, I'm making this and taking time for this. So I just want to congratulate you all for I believe it's 40th, right? 40th year of reunion. So congratulations to our batch, and also I hope you guys enjoy. Again, I wasn't able to come because, I've been job here and abroad is really, really, really hard, and everybody's on that quest for that almighty dollar. So, but anyway, I'm hoping that someday I could come home and visit our country and stuff and go back to Tondo. So, and I just want to wish you guys a wonderful and fruitful life, and I hope you guys enjoy our reunion, and basically I hope that this gathering becomes a really memorable one. Try to make some memories for everybody, and also I wanna really give a pat on the back on those who also is from overseas but is able to actually attend this reunion. I believe Blessy, who else, I'm not sure who else, but I shout out to you guys and hats off to you because you're able to do it. And I guess you're not as broke as me that I can't afford to go home. Anyway, so guys, enjoy the reunion and have a merry, fruitful life for all of us in batch 85. Thank you and good luck to you all. Bye.
Hello, alumni batch of 1985, Holy Child Catholic School. This is Dio. Pasensya na at hindi ko kayo masasamahan dyan sa ating reunion. Na-stranded ako dito sa Coron. Wish I was there. Congratulations, batch 85. Enjoy the night, and again, congratulations. Love you all. Bye-bye.
something I'm not indeed it's
Meron pa kasi nakakapagod. Yan ang ginagawa exercise.